In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall VS Code on your Windows 11 computer. So I'll show you how to completely uninstall this, including the leftover files. Now first open up your Start menu, search for Control Panel and click on this window here. Make sure View By is set to large icons. Click on the drop down arrow in the top right hand side and click on Category. Now click on Programs and click on Uninstall a Program. You'll then need to scroll down until you see Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Make sure it's selected and click on Uninstall. You can then press yes. Now once it's uninstalled, we just need to get rid of the leftover files. So go and open up your computer and double click on your C drive. You'll then need to double click on Users and double click on the username for your computer. You'll then see .vscode, go and right click on this and click on Delete. You also need to click on View, click on Show and make sure Hidden Items is selected like this and then double click on the App Data folder. You'll then need to double click on Roaming and you'll see a folder here called Code. Go and right click on it and click on Delete. Now come back over to the previous window, double click on the local folder. You can then scroll down to the bottom and you can check to see if you have any Visual Studio folders here. Now mine's already been deleted, but you may see something called VS Application Insights. You may also see a folder called VS Common, and just make sure to delete these folders. And that's how to completely uninstall VS Code from your Windows computer.